Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a creepy doll makeup look. Today I want to do more of a simple one, like last minute kind of look. So I have my like purple dress on, I guess. Not that it really matters for me, but we're going to be doing more of a simple look. So I'm going to pull my hair back and we're going to get started on the base makeup. Now it's totally optional if you don't want to do any makeup and you just want to like jump right in, that's cool. I'm going to do the full routine because I'm going to do more of like a glam look today. I have moisturizer on. For primer, I'm going to go in with e.l.f.'s Acne Fighting Putty Primer. It's the green one. I don't put a ton on. I just put it like here and here and here, and then I just kind of blend it out. I don't put any on my nose because every time I put primer on my nose, it never fails. There is always, it just does not stay. I don't like to put a ton down. Then I just have this like random sponge here because I can't find my favorite one. And then I'm going to be going in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Skin Tint. I'm going to take a little bit extra and just like drag it down my neck. I'm using Milani's Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And I already have my contacts in to start because that way it makes it easier. I don't have to worry about them later. For contour, I've been liking Hard Candy's highlight and contour sticks. Just totally messed that one up. I'm just going to put a little here too. I might put eyeshadow on, but I'm not sure yet, so I just want to add that just in case. I'm going in with Rare Beauty's bronzer stick, but you can go in with any bronzer. This is the only one that I really have. Put a little up here, too. I can't find my brow sticks anywhere, so I'm going to go in with NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And I'm just going to take one of these brown shades, possibly this one, I'm not sure. And I'm just going to like lightly brush my eyebrow over my eyebrow hairs. Or brush my finger over my eyebrow hairs. And it's not really that I'm trying to fill it in as much as I'm just trying to like bring the color back just enough. Because I have foundation over it and stuff. I want to push too hard though because I don't want the eyeshadow to be on my face. I did get it on my face though, so it doesn't really matter. Just gonna take this and try to go over that. Next we're gonna do the eyeshadow. We're gonna go for like a purple smoky eye, I guess. We'll do like the regular eyeshadow and then we'll do like that white underline and we'll draw the lashes on a little bit. Give it that like doll-like look. So I'm gonna be using e.l.f.'s 18 Hit Wonders palette. And then there's the two shades of purple. We have Royal and Velvet right here. So we're gonna use them. And then I have this, it's the e.l.f.'s Cookies and Cream palette. We're gonna use the black shade right here. But any black shadow will do. So I'm just going to take like a fluffy brush here and I'm going to take that lighter shade Royal and I'm just going to just start putting it all over. Make it more in my crease though. Then we're going to take the darker Velvet shade and we're just going to start blending it here. I might not even go in with the black if this is dark enough. Nothing crazy for the eyeshadow, I just want to add something. But even if it does look a little crazy, we're going to add lashes, so it'll work out. I was going to go in with white, but I think I'm going to take the shade Vibrant right here, the silver shade. I'm going to pack this on the top with my pinky. I don't know if that's too much, but that's what we're going with. Switch hands. And then I'm just gonna like wipe the brush off a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with that lighter shade Royal. Just like go over the top really quickly. That looks pretty nice. And then I'm done with that for now. We're gonna take, I have this stick. I know it's technically not like for lining waterlines, but this is e.l.f.'s Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow. It's white. You could always get like any kind of stick though that you have to do these kind of things. I don't really have that many. I don't know what they're called. But you could probably even use like white paint or liner. But I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to go on my waterline. gonna take the same stick. We're just gonna take this and draw under my eyes like this. We want to make it look like our eye is bigger than it is. I know some people go crazy with it, but I'd rather just like not go super crazy with it. That might be a bit more than I was expecting, but that's okay. Okay, a bit much, but we'll see how it works. So we're gonna go in now with black. I'm gonna go in with black paint, but you could also use a liner if you like to use a liner. I've got my little detail brush and my black paint from Snazaroo, and we are going to create like the eyelashes now. So we're just gonna trace that outer line. Should have went over further. And then we're gonna do the same on this side. And then we're gonna attempt to draw the eyelashes on. We're just gonna start by doing like finer lines. And I feel like my under eye thing is too wide. Trying to flick them out. Can make some of them bunched if you want. I'm actually gonna thicken this a little bit. Might be a bad idea, but I feel like this will all come together though more with the upper lashes. And if it doesn't, then I'll fix it and we'll redo it. I'm just kind of flicking mine so they're like angled. I'm not really the best at drawing lashes though. Made that a little messier than I wanted it to be. So now we have the under eyes done. I'm gonna add lashes and then we'll see how this looks now before I keep going. I'm gonna be using these purple lashes by Ioni. Not sure how you pronounce it. I just realized I missed blush, so we're gonna go in with e.l.f.'s powder blush. And I'm gonna do like the more exaggerated one here. So we're going for the doll look. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera though. I'm gonna brush this off and we're gonna go in with some more like bronzer. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline City bronzer. And then I also forgot, we're gonna take the blush and I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, just on the edge. And then we're gonna go for the lips next. I'm gonna use Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some black paint and do the cracks in my face. I'm gonna take the same brush, this one, and then I'm going to get the black paint back out. So you can leave it here or you can keep going with this. We're gonna take black paint and we are just going to, I'm gonna start on my nose, I think. We're gonna draw like a line here. And then you're just gonna start to break it away from that line in the beginning. And then fill it in. Now, you kind of want to make it maybe a little pointier than I just did. I'm gonna drag it out a little bit too, so it's not just all in one spot. Trying to keep my brush super fine. So we'll leave that one there. I'm gonna add another one right here. Just get like kind of creative with it. It doesn't have to be the exact same spots that I'm doing. You can even build off of the other ones too. Like very lightly touching, like barely even pressing for some of these lines. I don't want to overdo it, so we'll leave it like that, and then I'm going to do one up here. We'll do a bigger one like this. Just making sure that I make it pointed. And then I'm gonna add a small one here. Just like a little. Then we'll go back over here and do something. I'll do a bigger one over here too. Now I'm just like very lightly taking the brush and I'm just trying to make, well, that didn't work. I was gonna say, I'm very lightly taking the brush and trying to make like almost non-existent lines. Where it's like just brushing enough that you can see them, but it's not like a regular line. That might be a bad idea, maybe I shouldn't do that. I'm just gonna do a couple like that. Now I think I'm gonna get some eyeshadow and try to do a little bit of shading. Actually, let me add one on my mouth really quick. I kind of want to add one right here. I'm going to take Snazzer's white paint, and then I washed my brush, so now we are all set. We're just going to outline it basically to make it pop. And then trace a few of these lines. I think that's pretty much it. So here's the final look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you prefer to do the normal doll or if you wanted to add the little cracks in your face. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more Halloween content from me this month. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching.